So, meaning, kailangan nakahanda kang ibigay ang buhay mo para sa isa't isa. So that's the best form of love, I think. And then if you look at, if you heard the songs rendered earlier by the very talented wedding performer, wedding singer, all the songs, the lyrics of the song, sa buhay nila gano'n. Okay. Diba? Kasi his first song was more than words. Show your love more than words. So it should be in deeds, most important in deeds. Diba? Ano yung second song niya, sir? Pangakan. The second song was Grow Old. So you must commit yourselves to grow old together. And then the next song was Kahit Hindi. So ano original? You don't love